Good morning, Year 5. So today we're continuing with our percentages and solving problems. Okay, so we are looking and using our visuals to really help us. So our first one is here. True or false? 4/10 equals 4%. Is that correct? Is that true or is that false? Have a quick discussion with whoever's in the house. And see, 4/10 is 4%. True or false? 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, so hopefully you have said it is false. Remember what we have said. Percentage is over 100, so you need to times that by 10, that by 10, which would then equal 40%. Okay, so it's really important that you know 4/10 is actually 40%, not 4%. Okay, 4% would equal 4/100. Okay, that would be 4%, but we've got 4/10. So this one here, so looking at a number grid, a 100 grid here. So we know it's a 100 grid because we have got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10 lines down, 10 lines across, sorry, and 10 rows down. And we can see that percent is always out of 100. So I can see here the shaded part is 10, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 29. So that would be 29%. Okay, so it's really important that you know when you come across 100 square that they are shaded. The ones that are shaded are the percentage it's asking for, unless it states otherwise. So we're really focusing, guys, today on the link between fractions, decimals, and percentages. So I want you just to think about how we can link the three together. The three of them all come hand in hand, so they all work well together, and you're often asked for different parts, okay, of in a question. You might be given a decimal and it tells you to ask, and it's asking you for the percentage and the fraction, or it might give you two of them asking for the missing one. The three of them often come in hand. So we have got various different ones. So we've got 0.13. What is that as a percentage? Okay, what is that as a percent? Well, I know 0.13 is 13%. Nice and easy, nice easy link, okay, because we've got a tenth and a hundredths, percentages out of 100, so we've got them there. Now, what would it be as a fraction then? So I'm thinking as a fraction, one, I know it's over 100, so what would it be over a fraction? It would be 13/100, so 13%, 0.13 is 13/100. Have a go at these other three here, okay? See if you can come up with your answers there. Pause the video now. Okay, so hopefully you've got the other two options for all of them. So we've got percentage, decimal, and a fraction here. So 56% is 0.56, 0.56, and it is 56/100. Okay, so 56/100. You then also got the idea of 0.01. Now, this is tricking a few people because someone going, that's 10, that's 10. But actually, you can see we have not got any tenths. Okay, we have got no tenths, we've only got 100. So actually, it is 1%. And it is 1/100. And then quarter. Now again, this is a bit of a tricky one. So this is an equivalent fraction. Okay, and we can either make it over 100. So we know that there's 25 fours in 100. So we could do that if we want. So whatever we do to the denominator, we must do to the numerator. But actually, I just know, and at this point now, I should know that 1/4 is 0.25, and it is 25%. You should just now know that as a fraction. Again, they're the ones that you should just know and really didn't even have to think about as such. So this is your task today. You've got 2 tasks. This is your first sheet. So you've got here different parts shaded, complete the table, questions, problem solving, record the fractions as decimals and percentages. And then you've got here the second part, again working your way through, bit of problem solving and reasoning here. So you've got all these questions to answer and these ones, and I'll also put the answers on once we have finished.